How do you balance a telescope after initial alignment? Imagine trying to keep a spinning top perfectly upright. If it's off balance, it wobbles and falls. That's similar to balancing a telescope after you've aligned it. Once you've done the initial setup, balancing ensures smooth tracking of celestial objects. First, you need to understand the two main axes of your mount, the right ascension axis and the declination axis. The right ascension axis moves east to west, following the star's movement, while the declination axis adjusts the telescope up and down. Before balancing, make sure your mount is polar aligned. That means pointing it accurately toward the Earth's rotational axis. This step is key for precise tracking. Now, to balance the telescope on the right ascension axis, unlock the clutch and gently rotate the telescope. If it swings to one side, add counterweights on the opposite side until it feels stable and moves smoothly. If the telescope end drops, you need more weight or move the weights further down the shaft. For the declination axis, releases the clutch and gently move the telescope along the axis until it stays in place without tilting or falling. Sometimes, sliding the telescope along the deck axis helps find the right balance. Proper balancing means the telescope moves easily without putting strain on the motors or gears. It also prevents the mount from drifting or wobbling during observations. Keep in mind that small adjustments can make a big difference. After balancing, double-check by slowly rotating the mount in both axes to see if it stays steady and moves smoothly. If it feels stiff or jerky, recheck your weights and position. Balancing a telescope isn't just about making it easier to use. It's about ensuring your tracking is accurate and your images are sharp. Think of it like tuning a musical instrument. Small tweaks lead to better performance. Once you get the hang of balancing, it becomes a quick and easy part of your setup routine. Remember, the better your balance, the less your mount has to work, which means less vibration and more stable viewing. So take your time, adjust carefully, and enjoy the clear, steady views of the night sky.